In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Klarna card in 2025 with a simple step-by-step guide. Whether you're looking to manage your finances differently or just want to cancel a card you no longer use, don't worry, I've got you covered. First, let's start by navigating to Klarna's website. Head over to their customer service page dedicated to managing your Klarna card. You might find this page by searching for block or cancel my Klarna card on any search engine, and it should direct you to the right section on Klarna's site. Once there, you'll see all the options Klarna provides for managing your card, including blocking or canceling it. Now, assuming you want to proceed with canceling, the first logical step is to freeze your card. Freezing is essentially a safeguard, temporarily preventing any transactions without fully closing the account. It gives you a security measure while you prepare to cancel, and you can always unfreeze it later if you happen to change your mind. Once your card is frozen, navigate to the section where you can manage your account settings. This is generally located under the main menu of the Klarna app or website. Upon entering settings, there should be an option specifically related to card management. Here, you will find the cancel card option. Select the cancel card option. Klarna may ask for confirmation, possibly through additional security measures, just to ensure it's really you making this request. These might include verifying your identity with a code sent to your registered email or phone number. Make sure you have access to these just in case. At this point, Klarna may prompt you with a final confirmation screen providing details about what canceling your card entails. This might include information about any remaining balances or payments linked to your Klarna account. Take a moment to review these details to make sure you're comfortable proceeding. Once you're ready to confirm, tap the cancel button to finalize the process. Klarna will then process your request, and typically, within a short period, your card will be fully canceled. It's good practice to double-check the email confirmation Klarna usually sends. This email not only reassures you that the cancellation has been processed, but also serves as a record just in case you need to refer back to it later. And there you have it, your Klarna card cancellation is complete. By following these steps, you've successfully managed to cancel your card. If you have any further questions or require additional assistance, Klarna's customer service is always there to help. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has been helpful in simplifying the process for you.